Hi guys, this is Dr. Devashish. Welcome back to my channel. Today morning, one of my friends called me and he was asking, "Yaar Devashish, I'm having a fever and cough for 2 days. My mother is also having same complaint for 2 days. I was scared and I got tested for corona. Though my result is negative, my mother is positive. What should I do? Should I take azithromycin?" So I think all of you have some doubts regarding the use of azithromycin in COVID-19. So in this video, we will clear all these doubts regarding the use of azithromycin in COVID-19. Let's talk about azithromycin. What is azithromycin? Azithromycin is a macrolide group of antibiotic. How it helps in COVID-19? It acts against multiple bacteria, including the bacteria causing secondary infection in COVID-19. It also has antiviral property, acts against multiple virus including SARS-CoV-2 that causes COVID-19 infection. It also has anti-inflammatory property, reduces exaggerated body response against COVID-19. Should we take azithromycin in COVID-19? Few studies from France and Italy initially showed beneficial effect of azithromycin alone or combined with hydroxychloroquine to reduce viral load in COVID-19 patient and their recovery. But later we have larger studies from UK, France and Brazil showing no beneficial effect of azithromycin alone or combined with hydroxychloroquine in COVID-19. So far, no universal recommendation is available for azithromycin in COVID-19. When should we take azithromycin? Azithromycin can be recommended in mild to moderate COVID-19 infection in patients who have increased risk of bacterial infection as per guideline by WHO. In severe COVID-19 infection or in patient requiring ICU care as a off-label experimental treatment along with hydroxychloroquine as per guideline by Government of India. How should we take azithromycin? Azithromycin should be taken orally. What is the dose of azithromycin? The dose of azithromycin as per Government of India is 500 mg daily for 5 days. What are the adverse effects of azithromycin? The side effects or adverse effect of azithromycin are abdominal symptoms like nausea, vomiting, pain abdomen, skin reactions like rashes, and slowing of electrical excitation and recovery of heart, that is QT prolongation. Though uncommon, it can cause abnormal cardiac rhythm, especially in patients having pre-existing heart disease taking the drugs that cause similar QT prolongation like hydroxychloroquine. Is it safe in children, pregnant and lactating women? Azithromycin is safe in children, pregnant and lactating women. How can we get this medicine? To get this medicine, you need a prescription by a doctor. Can azithromycin protect us from getting COVID-19 infection? So far, azithromycin cannot protect us from getting COVID-19 infection. Though studies are going on to see whether azithromycin can protect us from getting COVID-19 infection or not. That's all about azithromycin in COVID-19 today. Before taking azithromycin, please make sure you have consulted your physician. If you have any doubts regarding the use of azithromycin in COVID-19, please write in comment section below. If you are a new visitor in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.